Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn how to tell time according to 24-hour clock. Let's start. Students, let's go to railway station today. Railway services always follow 24 hours clock because it keeps travelers on safer side and to keep them free from misconceptions. Now let us meet them. He is Surinder and his aunt. On arriving railway station, they came to know that they had missed their train. Actually, Surinder did not want to go back. Surinder wished to miss the train. When they reached the station, the train had already left. He was very happy. Surinder and his aunt reached the station at 5:15 and the time of departure of the train was 5:30 on the ticket. Can you tell me why they missed the train? Actually, their train had departed at 5:30 in the morning. His aunt told the station master that the time of departure of the train was 5:30 on the ticket. Then station master told her that 5:30 means 5:30 in the morning. Then surprisingly she asked him why it is like that. Then station master explained her that 24 hours clock is used at station in which time remains same from 12 midnight up to 12 noon of the next day in 12-hour and 24-hour clock, but from 12 noon up to 12 midnight, the time is shown by adding 12 hours in these 24-hour clock. So you have reached the station at 17:15, not at 5:15. Ticketmaster also told her that to tell time before 12 noon we use the numbers written inside the clock, and to tell time after noon we see numbers written on the outer surface of the clock, that is 24-hour clock. Therefore the time on the ticket is the time in the morning. It means 5:30 means 5:30 in the morning. If the time is written 17:30 on the ticket, then this train would depart at 5:30 in the evening. Then Surinder and his aunt understood the whole concept and returned back home. Students, all of you use mobile at home. So with the help of mobile, you can also learn how to tell time. Students, in this phone, I have set the time according to 12-hour clock, and in second phone, I have set the time according to 24 hours clock. Now see, at the same time, one phone is showing 4:19 and second phone is showing 16:19, but the time is same. Students, you have to remember that we use AM to show the time starting from 12 midnight to 12 noon, and PM is used to show the time from 12 noon till 12 in the midnight. Students, this is a simple 12-hour clock and it shows time from 1 to 12. Now, we will write 1 as 13, 2 as 14, 3 as 15 and so on. In this way, we will write numbers up to 24. This is how we convert 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock. Now, we can easily tell time according to 12-hour clock and 24 hours clock. Students, we have to remember that when time is PM afternoon, then add 12 to change it in 24 hours notation. To understand the concept, we will use this timetable now, and we will see the time according to both 12-hour clock and 24 hours clock. See, it's 2 p.m. It means the time is 2 o'clock afternoon. So we write 2 p.m. and to tell the time according to 24-hour clock, we will write 2 as 14. It means 14 hours. In this way, 2 plus 12 hour is equal to 14 hours. Next is 3 p.m. According to 12-hour clock, time is 3 p.m. and to tell time in 24-hour clock, we write 15. So we write 15 hours here. Now, students, the time is 3:30 p.m. So we write 3:30 according to 12-hour clock and 15:30 according to 24 hours clock. Today's past question. If time is 3 p.m. according to 12-hour clock, then what is the time according to 24-hour clock? So students, as you know, when time is written in p.m., it means time is afternoon. Then to convert time in 24 hours, we add 12 in it. So for 3 p.m., we will add 12 hours to 3. It means 3 plus 12 hours is equal to 15 hours. So C part is the correct option. It's time for homework now. You have to make a 12-hour clock and convert it into 24-hour clock. Thank you.